Hello, in this quick tutorial, we will show you how to temporarily pause your online ordering. This is useful for holidays, early closing, or special events. Let us get started. From the dashboard, navigate to the sidebar and click on Settings, Location, Special Hours. This is where you can override your normal hours for specific dates. First, click the Add Special Hours button. You will now see options to select a date and modify hours for that specific day. Next, choose the date you want to close, then tick the box under Opened. This will completely disable online ordering for that date. Alternatively, you can keep this box ticked if you have special opening times outside your usual schedule. You can repeat this process to add multiple special dates, whether for special openings or closures. Once everything is set up, click Save to apply the special hours you have added. You can verify by checking the store hours on the ordering page to ensure online ordering is fully disabled during the specified date. And that is it. You have now successfully set special hours to pause online ordering for a specific date. Watch our other videos for more tips. Thanks for watching.